皆さん、こんにちは。タカです。Last time, we studied Hiragana characters, まみむめもえんやゆよ。This time, we are going to study らりるれろえんわおん totally 8 characters. And we are going to finish basic of the Hiragana characters in this lesson.So, let's get started. 勉強しましょう。
The first character is Ra, like Ra in Rascal. The second character is Ri, like Lee in Ring. The third character is Ru, like Ru in Ruler. The fourth character is Ray, like Ray in Red. The fifth character is Ro, like Ro in Robot. Now let's review the 5 letters again. Please repeat.
らりるれろ
Back to the front. Please repeat.
ろれるりら
Next, let's read the vocabulary.
さらのりくるれいくろ
Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them.
ろりれるら
Here we go again, in a different order.
れらろりる
We will learn the following 5 characters. The first character is Wa, like Wa in water. The second character is O, like O in open. The third character is like in song. Now let's review the letters again. Please repeat.
わおん
Back to the front. Please repeat.
んおわ
Next, let's read the vocabulary.
わに本を読むかん
Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them.
ん、わ、お、
Here we go again, in a different order.
お、ん、わ。
Finally, I mix the 8 letters to create random flashcards. Read them aloud as quickly as possible and answer.
る、お、ら、れ、わ、ろ、ん、り。
Good luck. Here we go again, in a different order.
お、り、ろ、ん、れ、わ、る、ら。This time, we studied Hiragana, Rarirurero, and Waon. Also, we finished 46 basic Hiragana characters. Thank you so much. ありがとうございました。バイバイ。